Radical Jeff! What up? What's up, Joe? RD's on the phone. That dude doesn't do a thing ever. He's never working. He just stands around and talks about work, right? Those supers build themselves. No, RD's the best. He's a one-man show, dude, cranking on that car. He's showing me how he's about to start building engines. We'll look at that in a minute. I found Senor Dillo. We had to cruise by RD's because we do not yet have a Dimple press nor real press, hydraulic press. Dimple dye, hydraulic press. You know, it's all the same. Dimple press. That's all we're gonna get now. It's a press made specifically for doing dimples. Nothing else. No wheel bearings, no wheel studs.
Nope, not allowed.
But yeah, just cruising by on our way to the shop, and we're making this sweet little plate, as I showed you yesterday, for the nitrous bracket. And we're like, you know what would make this thing extra special? Drop a couple dimples in it. So, on our way in, we're gonna drop a couple in it. Once Dylan has this thing ready to go, we'll show you how it works. It's a pretty sweet piece. These guys. So you got your male and your female, right? Drill the hole. All right. Das through. Das stack. Is that thread? You know what you're doing, Bob?
No, it doesn't thread actually. It
just a little barbed up. And you come over here to Senor Press. Chugga 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 chugga. Whoa! So you got a little city going on here.
No. It was already like that.
Yeah.
Do you think does that work?
I don't know. Does it work?
Yes, it does.
Do you work?
I need less than
Not
lift
really.
on this thing though.
Oh, you want to lower this hog? She's maxed out, dog.
Hold on a second. I gotta figure something out here.
RD! Show me your motor, dude.
My motor?
Yeah, I want to see it. He was showing me a minute ago, but I didn't have the camera yet. So there's nothing. That's it. That's all you got left.
Some Real Street billet mains.
Ooh, wow, those are
Stock oil pumps.
Those are billet. Those are sweet. Stock oil pump.
Yeah. There's a block over here. We could.
Oh, there's the rest of a motor.
A naked block.
Yeah, she's bagged up in a body bag, dude.
Yeah. But she's alright. Let's flip her over for the people.
Yeah. This is what it normally looks like.
Yeah.
You turn something upside down, people get lost sometimes.
That's
Straight up in the sauce, dude.
so. That's what it looks like after a season.
Yeah.
Still got some crosshairs in there. It's healthy.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the nice part about an iron block. It
Don't
really does take the abuse.
have to sleeve it. It's
Yeah, I don't know, man.
like
I've
a
seen a
mini
couple
piece of-
windowed iron blocks though, so.
Yeah, you're friends with some people who like to break stuff.
Hey, he's your friend too, man. His car was over here getting cleaned up. Where did that thing go? The
street one?
the street car.
It just gets shipped around for his demos. That one's still going.
I was gonna say that's his best running one, man. You put the old RD touch on it, and it's still running.
That's true, huh?
Right? Yeah, it's his best. It's his best one.
Huh.
Maybe you should send the rest of his 2Js down here.
Maybe.
How many engine failures did you have last year? Oh yeah, 0.
0.
That's right,
holes,
dude.
Yeah. No
Yeah.
holes in the side.
That's right, dude. Thing went on off the track running every time, and it looks like she's just about ready to fire up,
I
man.
think it's ready. I could go like this, right?
You could. It'd be really lightweight, which is cool.
It's like Flintstone car.
Yeah, yeah. It's really easy to work on. You don't gotta worry about anything.
Don't even need a cooling system.
Yeah, air cool.
Just a water bottle for me.
Nah, man, it's looking good.
The rest of the stuff's out.
Doing all your own personal inspection.
Yeah.
You take it places to have it checked out, or?
Yeah. We go to S-Tech Motorsports, and then there's another guy down the street that could like balance the crank and stuff like that.
Sweet. And then you're gonna assemble yours this year?
Kind of think I'm gonna do everything.
Did you assemble yours last year?
I did not. I did like I'll put the head on and torque that down, and then set like cam timing. But I think this year
Someone else built the block for you?
I still think I should let someone else build the bottom end.
I mean, it's
so that they can do the ring end gap, because I'm not set up to do that, and then I don't want that to bite me later. So
Yeah.
maybe if I got the right equipment by next year this time, I'll do it. Cause I could
Be the
easily-
2J specialist,
I
man.
could
It'll be a
install
one-stop
it.
shop.
That's the one thing I can't do though. It's like
That's what I'm saying. Don't experiment on this car.
No.
You should experiment on,
the practice car.
where is it? There she is.
Behind the dumpster.
That one. Build a motor for that car
Yeah.
and see how that goes.
Might leave that
You're gonna have to
guy.
start somewhere.
Stuff. Yeah. I get it.
It's a good car, man.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it on a custom or your own race car.
Because the only TJs I built was like a stock. Well, I've never tried to build like the
Aftermarket, so, like,
pistons and stuff. Yeah.
Bearing sizes, like you said, the ring end gaps, all that. Yeah.
I can do the bearing.
That goes a
sizes.
little
I
right
know
over my
that.
head too.
Yeah, no ring end gap.
It's one of those things I know that I'm not good at. So don't try. Senor Dillo, you're supposed to wait for me, dog.
I got too excited.
Whoa, why was I supposed to wait?
Richard.
Oh man, well, you guys don't get to see how it works because Dylan is selfish.
I got lost in the sauce, dog. I couldn't help it. I forgot.
I just wanted to work too much. So anyway, you saw the overall process. The rest of it's going to be a secret till next time. But yeah, you stack those pieces, you punch them, and it stamps this sweet little dimple into it. We did a little 2 first size, 3 holes, centered, off center. You know, don't make us do a recreation dramatization for television, you know?
Recreation.
Just setting you up, dog. All right. All right. So, just for you guys, we're going to show you how to dimple die. Because Dylan's selfish.
All right, so this is our little guy right here. So
That-
basically,
So as you saw,
this one's just a little 3/8 hole in this guy. So first off, I just drill the 3/8 hole. And then you see how that little cone right there, that's what's going to give you that dimple, right? So it's going to go in this way, even though it's already done. So now it sits flat like that.
don't mind that.
And then I'm going to sit, you see how that's got that little like tapered bit right there? Same
Yeah.
taper as it's going this way. You just put it on like that.
And normally, it's got a little bit of a gap,
little bit of a
right?
gap.
Because it's not quite pressed yet.
Right.
And then, once you stamp it,
You stamp it together, and then it just kind of bends this bends your metal to the same taper as that. You got yourself a dimple die.
and so there's 2 ways to do it. If you don't have one of these big, sweet hydraulic presses, the reason why they have these big old bolts through them is you put a nut on the backside, and you just crank on that sucker.
Yeah.
But the problem is you blow the bolts out, and it's not really the best way. It's not the fastest way.
Yeah.
You could put in a vise, same thing. You could maybe break your vise, or you're just gonna wind it out. Best way to do
You
it.
could do it in a vise.
You could, yeah.
Especially if
thick-
it's thin stuff like this.
yeah, thicker material and like a bigger die is gonna get difficult. Best way to do it is with a press. You stack up in here. Next thing you know,
J and O, dude.
you got yourself a nice little dimple plate. And the reason why you do a dimple plate is because it's less weight and stronger. Because now you're adding a 3rd dimension to it on all sides. You're also cutting out these holes, obviously, to lose a little bit of weight. But if you just punch holes in it, you're going to weaken the plate. You put dimples in it, now you got less weight and added strength. It's a one-stop shop, dude.
One stop shop.
Perfect case scenario.
So this plate, it has like a little bit of
Yeah, so,
a bend to it. I'd like to get rid of that.
oh, what, down the center?
Well, you can just kind of see that it's like.
Did you press it all the way?
I did. You can see the line. This is the liner on the
Oh,
outside.
okay.
That's how you know you
Okay.
press it all the way. I mean,
Alright.
it's like
Yeah. She'd be all right.
it's actually.
We are welding it to a round tube, so, adding a little bit of curvature.
It is actually pretty good.
Whatever, Steve!
Hope a robot doesn't burn your house down. Woo!
All right, well, that was a lot of effort for 3 holes, but totes worth it.
Totes worth it.
Yeah.
Stronger, lighter, faster, more gooder.
Yeah, Scott's gonna be proud.
Oh yeah.
It's all about making Scott happy.
Bro, you got dirt on your forehead.
Do I? Sick this whole time? I mean, I was poking my head around an engine earlier, so what is it? Did I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is he lying to me?
So, my name is Chris Forsberg, and I'm here at Rad Industries today. I'm just gonna do what Dan normally does and kind of like talk real slow and monotone, and then tell you guys about the different customer cars and stuff like that, or my race car, and then talk to the other people that are here. Oh, hi, Jack. Hi. And Alessio. Alessio's upset. He just doesn't speak English, so he didn't want to be on camera. All right. See you later, Chris.